Hello children, in the previous class I have started the chapter from your grammar book, that is present tense and past tense. There only in the previous video class I have discussed about what is tense and what are the different forms of tense. Here only in your book two of the part of the tense has been given, that is present tense and past tense. Today's class we will spend to discuss about present tense. So let's start today's class. As on the board you can see I have written there that tense means time. I have discussed that what is tense or definition and the tense in the previous class. So a tense of verb is used to express time in various form. Either the time may be in past, the time may be in present, or the time may be for future. And every tense like present tense, past tense or future tense is further classified into 4 groups with same name like present tense. Present tense is further divided into 4 like present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Because of in your class only present indefinite tense has been given, so no need to go through in detail. These things you will learn in your higher classes. For today's class only I will spend to discuss about present indefinite tense. So just learn what is present indefinite tense is. Present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense is also known as simple present tense. So understood? Present indefinite tense is also called simple present tense, which denotes a simple statements, which tells that simple statements are habitual or eternally true action. That means it indicates an action which happens always. That means sun rises to the east always, moon shines in the sky, regularly, every day, normally, sometimes. If such kind of conditions are there and if the verb is used to that manner is called simple indefinite tense or simple present tense. Now the structure, how to apply present tense or how to use present tense in a sentence. What is the rule? If it is third person singular number or the subject is if third person singular number, then we have to write it. Then the simple verb in a simple present tense form plus we have to add s or es, then the rest part of the sentence. So how to do this? In the subject part, if it is personal pronoun like he, she and it, then we have to add s, es or ies to the original form of verb. So where do you use is, where do you use ies or where do you use es? These rules you have to learn later. Then only take an example. By following the structure, if we write a sentence to that manner, if it is third person singular number like he, she, it. So first the subject, then the main verb is walk. I have added here s with that way. So he walks. Then the rest of the part of that sentence, that to school every morning. In this way we can write a sentence in a simple present tense form if the subject is third person singular number. Then the second structure, except this third person singular number, if other kinds of pronouns are there, then how to write? First is subject, then the main form of the verb or original form of the verb, then the rest part of the sentence. For personal pronoun, so by specific way, which of the pronouns is being used by that way? For personal pronouns, I, you, we and they, we use original form of verb. Here no s or es is added with the verb. So for which cases s or es, ies added with the original form of verb? If the subject is third person singular number only. And except this third person singular number subject, if the subject is other one, then only we have to use only the original form of verb. So let's take an example. I walk to school every morning. So I, here not third person singular number, it is first person. Then see, walk, here it is original form of the verb. Then the rest of the sentence, that is to school every morning. Here, so first the subject, then the original form of the verb, then to school every morning. This is the full sentence. So you have to remember this way only to write a simple present tense form in a sentence. If it is third person singular number, then only we have to write first the subject, then the verb, then s, es or is, then rest of the part of the sentence. Except the third person singular number, we can use the present tense form in a sentence, that is first subject, then the main form of the original form of the verb, then the rest part of the sentence. Understood? Now let's see some of the examples that have I already written on the board. Suppose for the first example is the moon shines at night. So it is eternal truth. Every time the moon shines at night, he walks to school every morning. This is habitual action. A tiger runs very fast. A normal thing. The sun rises in the east. It is also eternal truth. So these are some of the examples that I have written there. Still some more are there in your book. When you practice the study materials, or I'll send you the study material, the things will be more clear to you. Along with this video, I am sending to you a YouTube link where an animated video has been given on this matter. Follow that one, watch that one, enjoy. I hope the things will be very clear to you with that video also. So keep learning these things and just learn these portions of your book, only the present tense part. In the next class, I am going to discuss the past tense part. So thank you for today. Bye bye.